The short Pilum M with a 3-lug on a HK-MP5, 9mm. Hey guys, this is Joe with Aklys Defense, and I want to show you one of our newest products, the Pilum M. It's a .45 caliber and down modular pistol can. Here it's on a Glock 21, and the reason it's called the Pilum M and not just the Pilum 45, because it is our upgrade from our Pilum 9mm, is it is a modular system. It's not strictly for .45. It works for .45 all the way down for all the pistol calibers. Still full auto rated for all of those calibers, as well as 300 blackout subsonic on short barrels and 300 blackout supersonic on 16-inch and longer barrels. So it is a very, very versatile can, and it expands Aklys's offerings to finally a .45 pistol can. So the Pilum M from Aklys Defense. Some of the versatility is this is the Pilum M on a Glock 17, so it does work great in 9mm. Minimal first round pop, adapters that work well with either 9mm, the common 9mm threads, half by 28, 13.5 left hand, or .578 like on the 45. Now the reason it's modular is because it can be shortened very easily. It is the only modular mono-core pistol can that's available. This is the shortened version. It's about 6 inches and 6 ounces on a Glock 30. So this is a great little bedside gun, real compact, still hearing safe indoors. You can shoot it wet. This combination is one of my personal combinations that I do keep wet for a bedside gun. Great performance, very compact, and if you need to use it in a defense situation, it's still going to be very controllable and very quiet. So let's get a little bit into the can itself. So the overall length of the can is 8 7/8 inches. It is 8.2 ounces, and it does have the same lid attachment system that the Pilum M, or excuse me, the Pilum 9 that you know and love have. Again, this 45 is .578. So it'll fit most of the common thread patterns. Now this is where the modularity comes in. The front module unthreads, remove the front cap, this is the extendo tube and the extendo module. You can put these away safely. Take the end cap, place it on the main core and tube, place it back on the gun, and you have a nice short compact 45 or 9mm, or really any pistol caliber can. We offer adapters that will fit just about anything. Everything from half by 28, half by 36, 3/4, 5/8, any of our proprietary brakes, the Aklys QD. It even adapts to the 3-lug system. This is my personal MP5. It's a Dakota Tactical build. It's a great little system, and I have one of the Pilum M cans installed on it with a 3-lug. So you can see the Pilum M is a great, very versatile system. 45 on the full-size Pilum M. .45 on a Glock 30 with the short Pilum M. The short Pilum M with a 3-lug on a HK MP5, 9mm. It's even full auto rated for 45. And don't forget, the whole Pilum line is 300 blackout subsonic rated on short barrels and 300 blackout supersonic rated on 16-inch barrels. Glock 17 with the Pilum M in the full-size configuration, 9mm. For the ultimate in a super compact package, Glock 26 with the Pilum M in the short configuration. Alright, that's a demonstration of some of the configurations of the Pilum M by Aklys Defense. Remember, it's 300 blackout, super and subsonic rated.